And I'm about to do some fried pork. Them call it griot. It's a Haitian dish, but I enjoy it so much that I make it every now and again. So the pork seasoned up already, and just gonna add that to the pot. But also a video, cause you know where I forget the content. When I like do this enough cause I can't manage to multitask, but I try to figure it out. So let's stay with me. So guys, now we're back 2 hours after to prepare the pork. So I have a Dutch pot on the stove. So I'm just going to add the pork to the pot. And when I add, of course, there's no need to add water. You gotta allow it to take time. Make it water. So I turn on the stove and cook it. It's gonna make its own water. What is wrong with this? Never seen on an see it. And I wash out the plate and put it in the pot. Okay. What were you saying? Hi, Daniel. I'm doing great. How are you? I'm gonna do 2 plantains. Soak the plantain. Guys, come in, remember to like the live. And one finger them stain up. No farm, I go get them a plantain a while ago. Cause that's the skin thin. When the skin thin, you get more. put some water in this. What you want to be mad for? The Eli isn't working now. I do some fried pork. I'm gonna fry some green plantain. Plantain skin thin, take a separate cup. So add them to some salt water so them can soak. I'm ready for them. And I have to dust them with salt after I fry them because I got already get the salty taste. Some people put garlic in the water. Sound like family will enjoy fried pork green. Yeah, I like it. It's an Haitian dish, but I always enjoy it. So every now and again when I feel fit, I make it. Buy some puff crackers. Come on, make some roast fish or steamed fish tomorrow. And crackers. I'm gonna buy enough green plant. Come on, make some green plant porridge. Also, so we have that one too. I'm gonna do some baked bean and corned beef mixed together. So I'm gonna grab this. We just got to shop because whenever I have the green plant, and you know, if I remember, I go get green plant. So that's where I go on in the kitchen right now. Find a way how to keep my green plant them green longer. That's what I need to do because every time I buy a green plantain, them just get ripe. Yeah, right, just like that Haitian Griot plantain. Exactly. So the pork a boil now. I'm gonna boil the pork now and then we fry it. So like you know what go on, man. Sound like you know what's going on. I have some sweet potato. I want them to fry 2 pieces of the sweet potato. Or boil 2 pieces of the sweet potato. I try to think what I want to do. See, I'm going to boil a little piece. You like watch me cook? When you ever watch me cook before? I don't think about frying it. I think I gotta boil it. Too much fry. Shit, you know, I never check if I have enough cooking oil. My next piece of sweet potato, you know. I'll just boil everything and just. I add some vinegar to the water. See if it can stop the potato from getting black. This is what you say. Yes, it helps other who needs help with meals and Jamaican meals as well. Oh, you mean the cooking, the YouTube channel right now? I'll say it go. Sometimes we have to be helpful. Cause your lies ain't working now. I want to keep my green plant green. I don't know how to do that. Okay, use this. Alright, so we'll check on the pork. See so much water I sprinkle. Sprinkle with water. Or just boil it until it gets tender. Then we'll fry it. Just make this fry a little more. I think we may do. I'm not ready for fry the plant yet. Oh, I check on the oil. No, I have a back to my oil, so. I need to wash water, but take out the curry stain it. I just taking it with me while I move. Cause the pork a boil and the pot close. I'm not going to leave the pot open. Sometimes I cook when the pot's supposed to close, I leave it open, but I need the pork for cook. I don't want to be in the kitchen all night, so I'm going to rinse up them here. Just the oil. So if I want to, I like doing in the kitchen is wash dishes. I don't like wash dishes. And this is something we are going with me from kid stage. So, my daughter used to say, she used to, like when she come up on weekend and I cook, she always come and wash dish with me because she know me not like it. So while me cook, she wash up dishes. So when she not there, I know me have to do it. So I just do it as I cook along because if the things will ever pile up on me, I'm stressed the hell out. Like me and dishes don't go together. Two things I don't like to do. I don't like to wash dishes and I don't like to wash clothes. I don't like to do laundry. But do them because I have to, but I don't like it. Like me do anything else. I love clean, I love cook, I love do everything else. But then two things I like. Crazy. But somebody has to do it, right? And when you're alone there home, you have to do it. Because I want to get a catch, things pile up in my sink like, hell no. I have dishwasher. I've only used that dishwasher once. And I think it was on Thanksgiving. Once. So, it's not a dishwasher kind of girly. I remember when I was younger, you know, I used to negotiate with my sister, my older sister. Either my PR or I say, alright, me would do this for you and you wash the plate them for me. So I used to do. Take PR chores and she do my own because I like wash plate. And I said I used to do to her for wash my clothes them. I used to beg her for wash my clothes them or PR for wash my clothes them. I thought when I live clean and I go to school, you know. I used to save my lunch money just so that I could have PR for wash my clothes then. So that is how much me not like to do them two things there. Sacrifice my lunch just to get my clothes them wash. Guys, I'm not be shy. I don't bite. And if you're coming in, top of the live and you can ask me anything if you choose. And for those who just coming in, I'm making griot, fried pork and green plantains. It's not a Jamaican dish, but I enjoy it. So, can I enjoy it? I always cook it. Not always, every now and again, once I feel fit. I cook it about a month ago. Or a couple weeks ago, maybe 3 weeks ago. Or a month, somewhere there ago. And then now, I cook it today. So, every now and again, I'll cook it. I made the pickle from last night. I'm not a pork lover. Oh. We eat pork every now and again. I like roast pork. I like jerk. I love pork. I don't love it where I go. I can't do without it. But yeah, I like pork every now and again. But I like any slow cooked pork. I like when pork slow cook. You don't like it because I don't like the taste or for religious reasons. I cook curry in that pot here. So I don't like the curry look, so I wash it. I'll see if we can get rid of that. So what reason I eat pork, you know, like pork? For religious reason or you just don't like it? We used to go to Adventist church, you know, so over the years we know, say, when you come on to that, a lot of people don't eat pork. Nothing you can do. Okay. Most people, when they say the pork unclean, we can do without it. If we have to do without it, we can do without it. So, but you know, I go every now and again. You want to change your menu. You feel for something else. I feel fit, so that's why I cook it. Lord of God, more sad if it comes to my pot them. One thing with Dutch pot, it's hard to keep clean, hard to maintain. I don't care what nobody say. Dutch pot, hard to maintain. As you cook in it, it will change color. Full of bleach, you know. All of my clothes then bleach out in the kitchen. Because I love using enough bleach wash dish. And then now. Why? Burn out my clothes then. Fish and chicken. We eat the fish and chicken too. You know, we Jamaican, we just have kind of meat or really eat like that. The curry goat, the chicken, the curry, the goat, the pork, the fish. Then I want strong arms to scour. To cover the pot. I love using bleach and lime to fresh dishes and pots. Yeah. Why I love bleach? We use bleach too hard. But me use it too hard. We put a buckle of bleach on this and by the end of the week I wonder where the bleach there. Like where the bleach there. That is how hard me use bleach. Thank God it's not expensive. But curry in another pot so it have a look what I like. But I can't manage to scour it, I don't have the strength. This need man arms. I'm weak. So I do a little when I can do, but this one on my line. And then the pot just a skate all over the place. If I never the pan line, I would have bend down. Usually I would do this. This show no. When I scour a pot, I do this. Scour it as well. That's the only time I can put my back into it. So and I like how the curry makes it get inside the bubble. You know there in Jamaica we go out the door. Go out the door, we get dirt. We get dirt for scour our pot. But I don't know since I come and find me they will like outside like that. Like big and serious. The people on the internet not easy, you know. I go up on Facebook and the woman say my pot look dirty. Like a dirty pot me I cooking and I'm like, these people are crazy. Them know what them know about Dutch pot. Dutch pot have a look. But trust me, I can't cook in a dirty pot. I don't know where that person that said that. I said them people on the internet crazy. Cause why would I cook food in a dirty pot? Dutch pot just have a look. The foreign Dutch pot easier to take care of, you know. Curry always stain the pot inside. Yeah. The woman said the pot dirty. But foreign Dutch pot different from Jamaica Dutch pot. You see the foreign Dutch pot? I know when me I do live streams, I go up on a post and see. Me not responding because I'm like, why would I respond to a person like that? Because some of them just set are idiots. So, you know Dutch pot say? Say, look, we can't get rid of that. I don't know what to do. Because that's the stain, the black what you see in there right now are from the curry that. But girl, yeah, nice to pray before. The people on the internet savvy, you know, they don't realize that everybody have different lifestyle, everybody have different way of doing things, you know? They not understand. You know what they know what them give me elbow my nails. My nails is always a problem to people. And I'm saying like, I'm not gonna take my nails off. So because I have nails enough for cook, I lie when I tell. Lie when I tell. I like long nails when I like short nails. So every now and again I will do my nails short. But I'm not a short girl. Short nails kind of girl. So when them chat, sometimes I cut them, sometimes I left them alone. Because at the end of the day, I never have nobody when me cook for. What about Jaja? What about? I never have nobody when me cook for will have a problem with my food. And then the people that I cook for already know. Right. I tell you what people don't understand. Yeah, some people have long nail, yeah, some people have short nail, right? That doesn't take away from nothing. That doesn't mean germs now go there, not people. Because them claim to say nails and food don't go together because of germs. But them don't know say germs are everywhere. You wash your dishes now and turn them down in the sink. What make no germs now go on them? Eh? Germs are everywhere. And those are the people who walk a road and buy food every day. We are talking about germs and one like them also scared of this and scared of that. The length of your nails don't make a difference. Because the same way germs can under my nails, it can under your nails also. Barbicide. Oh, barbonate soda and vinegar and leave it for a while. Thank you very much. I have a screenshot that. It's when I see my pot them get ugly, I just want a new pot. As some steam, like new pot. I have one box of pot around this right now when I not even pull it. Let me screenshot it just because I don't mind get something for soak the pot them for real. Make my life easier. So I'm going to screenshot that so we can see how that work. That come along, you know. It's in a pot. Till I say it seems like the water dry, I'd catch you there. Same thing. There, chat. I'm pour the water and I just. I like use water at night, you know. I like it soak the flan so that them can lift off of the bottom. Hello, to you say something. You see me pat the out for bun up. Yeah, so you know if you put water in it, once you season it, you just put it in the pot. Cover it and slow cook it until it tender. When it's tender, you pour it off. If you want gravy, you keep the sauce for make gravy. If you cook like rice or something like that. Or it depends, because I'm going to make some gravy. But no, oh, okay. Oh, should I talk for score? I'm going to pot them. Come on, me did I show the Dutch pot. So sometimes them just look ugly, you see? And me the curry night said they have me the curry goat night said they have a ugly look. So she said if we use the barbicide. That she say barbicide? Oh. Bicarbonate, soda, and vinegar. Lord of mercy. Where barbicide come from in my head? So I'm going to get some of that. I screenshot it. So I look at Amazon if I find it. And soak my pot them. Alright, I'm going to boil. I boil my potato them. I'm going to boil 2 sweet potato. I'm still fry my plantain. What were you thinking, bringing her into our own, in our bed? You must have felt. Oh yeah, I have sandpaper. I have one brush. Let me show you one brush I use sometimes. It's small, but it have an angle. So sometimes I use it and crumb it. Wire brush. So I have a couple of them I use sometimes. I have sandpaper, but I don't even know if I can climb up to find that. But that hard, that a man work. Listen, I don't like scrub the pot hard. But if I have to do it, I gotta do it because I don't like see the pot dirty. Like, it come like if a dirty pot a dirty food. You know what I mean there? Yeah, man. So that's why I don't know how some females say them now like, them now need man. I think we need man, because at the end of the day, certain things need that man strength, you know? Like scrubbing the pot them. Yeah, yeah, come with me. Oh God, watch out. Oh, turn on. We're gonna fry the pork now. We're gonna fry the plantain. I need to figure that out because one thing I like with YouTube when we can't play music, because I love music and I'm driven by music. Like when we play music, mean a good place, a good vibe, and you know. Oh, the fridge. Thanks. We forgot to ask that the question there. Yeah, copyright. Me say one day me depend I do my daughter ear no. Me braid my daughter ear small cause she go England, right? So me depend my braid her ear small, but as I said, music, me driven by music, so me play some nice music and me braid her ear, and it take me one whole day. Me depend live one whole day. Tick YouTube live
Only when me finish you find out say copyright. Because the music in the background. That was crazy. So I learned from them time they say me can't play the music. Guys, welcome to the live. If it's the first time on my live, welcome to the live. If you've been here before, welcome back. Do you know how to retwist locks? Yes, I do. Sun is shining, Bob Marley kind of day. Yeah. I put me a cook so Bob Marley now I know this. Nice. What nice about that? I'm a cosmetologist. I'm a licensed cosmetology judger. But then we realized it wasn't for me because the standing. But I'm a licensed cosmetologist. I'm certified. If you never know, let me tell you. Alright, so I'm glad to say somebody. I'm go up it work, you know, I'm go up that method they work for the pot. Cause if it no work, make a vex. You know, so that watch I want battery. I realized it the last time I'm weird, so I don't even know why I'm even put it on right now. Cause not tell me nothing. Yeah, man, I love music bad. Especially all hits. I'm a all hits type of person. My dreadlocks are 5 feet long. What? That is the length that I am the height of me. That is the height of me. Oh Lord. Alright, we're gonna go check. Find the pork again. I love it. Leave me alone because this is a little bit of pork. That 3 pound of pork. This not like 3 pound of pork. Alright, so now give this about 10 more minutes and then we'll lock it off. Jaja, you eat pork? You eat pork? Because a lot of people are against pork, you know. I started my locks in 1983. Oh my God. That's how before me born. Claudia, that's how before me born. Oh my God. I wonder why. Judge, I wonder why you don't eat pork. Wonder why. Breeders are cosmetologists are standing all day on their feet. Yeah. That's why I'm saying I realize it's not for me. Because the thing is when you stand and work, you go faster. When you sit down and work, you take forever. And if you stand up and do so much work all day, I'm like, no, this is not for me. So yeah, that's why I'm gonna do that no more. Well, years ago. Oh God, I don't know if I tell you this, cause you know, say when we done, when we do my cosmetology course, the first week I go to work, I quit. The first week I go to work, I quit. Yeah. The way I was raised, I just stuck to it. Okay. Have you ever tried it before or never? You ever tried it before or you never tried it? True, me I chat to you now, you know, want the pot bun. Why? Because the thing with me, if I don't like something, If I don't like art, but not think me make for work for people. Like every time I for work for people, it bother me. I don't like when people rule me. I don't like when people tell me what to do. If that makes sense. I don't like feel like a maid or a slave. I don't like that feeling. So hope that explain what I'm saying. It might not mean nothing to you, but it mean everything to me. If you work somewhere and I feel overworked, especially when I get my paycheck. For instance, me at work and the amount of work I do, when I get the paycheck, I feel it not satisfy me, I'm done. That is me. Yeah, I don't like to feel like, I don't know, and this I come from a younger. And then, being that I never go back and do my cosmetology, I never go back and do it. It's like I still do cosmetology, I still do the things then. So I'm glad that I was certified. I go through everything and get my certificate. I still do ear every now and again. I still do my thing every now and again because I know all of that. So I would do it every now and again, but I'm not gonna do it like something I do like constantly every day. No. So yeah. Never put this away. So when it comes to food, that is another case. I only cook because I love food. Put this on the back burner. Yeah. If you never smell this, it smells so good. If you get a fork and feel it. I'm certain that I'm yours. So Jaja, why you know I'm over here? Well, you have another client if you want. Okay. Is there anything you don't know how to cook? I doubt that. Like, I might not cook something before, but I never yet say I can't do it. Because to me, I think, like, cooking is like, everything just go hand in hand, you know? So it's like certain things, but just have an idea. Or if you show me, or if you tell me, I'm going to be able to get it done. So, I just think the food, cook. Like, just get in the kitchen. Just do it. If that makes sense. That's a need for video. I need to do the video. Make the pot at the back. I just the truth. Like me, I cook from me young, you know, cause my mother used to cook good, and then me used to go into the kitchen with her, cause she loved cook. So what I do was go out the kitchen with her, and she would have put me up on the counter and have me I do my little play thing. And then when she find out so I can't cook now, when we reach well enough, she find out so I can't cook now, is like she just leave the cooking for me. So anything she tell me for cook. Alright, wait, you know when I know I really can't cook? One day my uncle, because I have a lot of uncles, I have 6 uncles. And them come down there work for my mother's house, right? So when them work on the house, them say them hungry for cook Caesar rice. Remember my house I do my little ting. But then them say them want Caesar rice. Hold on, I open my back door so make some fresh air come in. Yeah, so them said them want Caesar rice. So I said, all right, but I cook the Caesar rice. It was ackee and saltfish Caesar rice with pumpkin and coconut milk. So I had to cook this big pot of Caesar rice. Anyway, I cooked the big pot of Caesar rice. When the Caesar rice done, the Caesar rice was so good. I can't believe I cooked that amount of food and it was good. So from this, I just know so I can't cook. No, so naturally can't cook because Caesar rice not easy for cook when you cook all you know. So when Mrs. Summer accomplished that, then I'm like, yeah. So, well, yeah. There's a lot of things when I try for the first time and when I tried it so good. It's like, I'm happy. Even the fried pork. I never know nothing about grill. I just taste it. Somebody give me it. I enjoy it and I'm like, this is good. And we just do my thing. My late brother could cook better than all four of us, of his wife. My late father was a chef and I cook as well. Okay, I'm not a chef in my family. My mother can't cook though. You know, you have some Jamaican who just can't cook. Anytime my mother cook, we used to just enjoy it. But I don't know if we used to our cooking or we young, but we just enjoy it. So I always say my mother can't cook and I enjoy our food. And there's a lot of people when me eat from when me not enjoy them food. It's like me eat them food but not enjoy it. So I always say my mother can cook. I always watch her. I always look how she take pride in her cooking. Like she take the time out to prepare the food. So, and that's the thing with me. I don't do nothing in a rush. I take my time and prepare my food. I don't rush cook. I don't rush cook. I just go in the kitchen. If I want something, I make it and try my best to make it at the best as the best of my ability. Even if I never cook it before, it's like. Yeah. Alright, Empress, big up yourself. Thanks for joining. Alright, we need to get out the pork. And I fried the plant in this. I want to fry the pork, you know. Okay, I fry the pork in this. Something about you. Cooking for someone else is another story for me. Oh. Yeah, you might cook good enough. You never know. Sometimes we never know. Because the first time when we start cook for people, I did kind of feel intimidated. But I kind of shy. Because I'm like, are they going to enjoy my food? And then the next case, when you cook a small portion, it is way different when you cook a large amount. So you wonder if it's going to come out the same way. No, sir. Do you use herbs in your food? It's good when you grow up your own cooking. What type of herbs? Yeah, but once we do it and I see people face, I watch people face expression and they might eat my food, you know. I'm gonna watch and I see them face expression. Oh my god, I drink some water, I'm dead. So once I realize that them enjoy it make me happy. Alright, may I video this before I take it off. Alright, go back in again. I'm just gonna test. Make sure it cooks. Maybe still feel toughish. I'm just gonna leave this a bit longer. Hold on. Any kind, yeah, I use herbs, man. I love herbs. Even me I boil this a while ago, I use some rosemary in there, thyme in there, pimento seeds in there, skillet, yeah. Alright, I boil this a little more. I don't like it to feel nice and tender. You don't want it too soft, but you still don't want it too tough. Gotcha. Just show me a video. Alright, so I make this for a little longer because we don't want it too soft, but we still don't want it too tough. How long do you have to cook it for? Until it's tender. The thing is, I'm not put no water on it, so because no water not going nice, you know, you just have to sweat by itself. So it might take a longer because of that, but then I want to keep the flavor, so I don't add water. I just make it simmer in the sauce with it in now, so that the juice, that all that flavor can suck up inside of the pork. When you fry it, it's nice. You know. So that's why I'm gonna like add water to it. It take a little longer, but it's nicer. You're welcome. You're welcome. Guys, remember to like the live. There's a thumbs up button at the top. Come in, like the live for me, please. Right, so that's why I'm gonna put it in water, as I say, put water in there. And then you want the meat to go to a certain point. You don't want to overcook it either. Because if you overcook it, it will just flaky and messy and look appealing. So, and that's the thing with food. I like slow and steady food. I find that when I rush food, it is not nice as if I would have slow cook it. It's even, you see pork pan at all. Do the pork in the oven or slow cook the pork on the stove top and taste the difference. It's a whole different thing. The food just tastes different. Show the food. This is pork. Pork. I don't know if you see it. Hope you see that. Jaja, big up yourself. So this come like you could have just eat, so come like I just eat this just like this. And guys, this me not add no oil or nothing to this. Me just season it and set it on the stove and cover it. But just look at it. It's so, just look. But I'm gonna save the gravy and fry it. Tell the truth, this one look good. Yeah, it's almost there. Come, I don't want it too soft, you know. I want it on a level. Oh God, and it's spicy. They put one whole pepper in there. I make the pickle from last night, so that ready. We have that ready. Yeah. And then I'm gonna fry the green plant. I have some plantains soaked in a salt water. Cause you know the fried pork go well with green plantain. And then I boil 2 pieces of sweet potato. But I fry them, but too much fried food not good. So I got a piece of sweet potato. I made the sweet potato because I don't want it spoiled. So that's what we have going on. Yeah. So we'll take it off, you know. So take it off, strain it out because I want the sauce, I want the gravy. You know what I'm gonna do? I just lift it out in the pan. Yeah, I lift it out with this. There are certain things that I've done, but I'm certain that I'm yours. And while when that I fry, I'm gonna fry the plantain as well. Guys, thanks for tuning in. Thanks for tuning in. I think I'm gonna take it out now. Guys, don't mind me. I feel a video to come and try to get content while cooking. No, I'm not Asian, but I love Asian. I love some Asian food. So, like the grill, I love it. So, I always make it. But, yeah. So, that's what's going on. You know what I'm wearing there? Big up me. If not Asian upon the life, big up on yourself. Big up on yourself and have some good food. And, yeah. Alright, we're going again. I'm gonna remove this. We're gonna save, I'm turning off the stove. We're gonna save the sauce so that way. Hi Caroline. So that we can have that. We can dip a pork in it. Or eat to the potato, sweet potato. Yep. Asian posse. I'm not telling a lie. The pork, like one of my work friend, she invite me on my baby shower. I'm gonna go. And she carried this, come give me. And me I tell you, from me eat it, me lock. From me eat it, me lock in. So, you know, if you love something, you're going to try your best to make it so that you can eat it whenever you like it. So, and that reach me. So, every now and again, I feel feed. But anytime I feel feed, I make it because I can make it. I've tried it several times and I'm my first rodeo, this second, third, or fourth. So, I know if I make it. Alright, so we have a sauce, so we're going to leave this for gravy. Stop. Yep. Alright, so my have it draining at this. I'm gonna fry it. I fry it up now. Should I put on my pot for the set this aside. So the Asian posse, yes. The pork bad. I'm like, you know, I like to, I like them thing the rice, black rice. I also like the way they make the macaroni salad. I don't know if I saw them call it. That's good too. I'm so far I'm charged there because that's how I'm keeping up on that side there early and I can't phone that charge. I have enough. Alright, so the pork here, I just have it a drain off the excess water. Can't know that go. Oil and water don't mesh. I need to take the oil out of this. I'm certain that I'm yours. I see. So I gotta add some oil to a Dutch pot. Might need a little more. We gotta allow that to hot or eat up. Guys, we have video while me a cook. Okay, we're gonna do the plant and then we have this. Certain that I'm yours. I throw the water. While I throw the water off of the plantain and dry them. Salt water at that. fry some pork and some plantain. Like one beat somebody. What that mean? Oh my God. Are you serious? Look at that, me really see. Why you say that? Why you say that? Oh, you look when you want to beat somebody. Am I putting it back over here so I come on use the charger? No, sir. Tell me how you mean no want to beat somebody. That one they get me. Alright, so I dry them off coming out. You know water and oil now go together. So I don't want to splash up and burn me up. You love the smell? Thank you. Guys, me just wash them because when me done cook, you can't bother with no dirty plate. That's gonna drive me crazy. I mean, that explains to me earlier I said I don't like wash dishes, so. Wash them while we go along. Alright, sometimes when we do I cover this. Cover the, hold on. If you don't never know, you can cover on the plantain. Do you flatten the plantain? Yeah, it's plantain. I know what Haitian something. All I would do the same thing. So we need to know if this this is the next one, you know, like to splash. So you maybe get my ideas. Like to splash up and make mess. The pork, I think the fat of the pork do that. Like to make mess. We can't bother with the mess. Alright, we need to find out if the oil hot, so I'm gonna drop one of them. I'll drop a couple more pieces. talking about it, Jesus Christ. Watch out, I forgot to nail video. Alright, so I'm gonna add it. Never cover it. Because, baby. You see that? Jesus peas. Oh. All the ground I splash up. Wash my hand up, try it. Coming back again. When I cover it, make it soft and easy for press. But I'm certain that I'm yours. And one thing you want to know about this, so you can't fry it too dry. If you fry it too dry, it's not nice. So that is the next thing. If you fry it too dry, it's not nice. I'm gonna learn that the hard way. One time I cook it, I think it was Thanksgiving. I cook it for Thanksgiving. I'm a fry the hell out of it, you know, man. And when I done it, it's too dry. I never like it, so I learned that. So you can't fry it too dry. There are certain things that I've done, but I'm certain that I'm yours. put it on a plate there. Took out the man. I'm certain that I'm not. Oh, you're this a splash of Lord of mercy. I'm trying to multitask. Alright, I'm going to remove. Let them put a thick a little more fry. Allow them if a fry a little more and then we'll come back. Now see it? May I use 2 board? May I use this and press them? boil them. Boil them, fry is better. Boil, then fry is better. With what? Boil then fry what? Something about you. Music angry. Ah. Murder. Murder. I need to take out this now. I'm going to take out this. I'm going to let them for a little longer than I wanted them to. Alright, so then we are going put the rest of them. Whoa, you murder! This is the most cut from my body is from burning. I swear. Keep coming back again. Alright, so the other dish. Guys, if you're just coming in, come in. There's a like button at the top of the screen. Come in, tap that like button for me, please. Jaja is still there with me. Oh. So the pork. I just want to devour this right now. But I'm certain that we are. Pencil like apple, especially if you have this steel part then. Are you fucking kidding me? Here come guys, my storage just say it full, so I just try to get rid of. Some of them are so that I can continue the video. Alright, so this happened. Alright, so after we turn them in, let them can come out. Make this stay a little more and take out them from here. Keep putting it on up this so. Alright, I'll take this one for a little more. I need to wash up the menu. I'm certain that I'm young. I want to try wash up the plate them. Because let's turn them plant in first. Really? It's good. I need this for the pot. Very good. Dry it. Come on, I know in a man. Ooh. So much things are going on, so all kind of things are going on, so. Finish to coat this. And so we're done with that. We'll have to fry pork. Let's move a bit of this. But I'm certain that I'm yours. Certain that I'm yours. Certain that I'm yours. So evergreen plantain. Open and bleach out my clothes. I think I'm gonna sign out left for now. We're done. So this are the pickle. I made this last night. This is what you eat with the fried pork. So I made this last night. This is cabbage, carrot, bell peppers, onion, vinegar for the sauce, pepper, onion, some all-purpose season. What else? I think that was it. But I have a video for this. I did a video for this, so I can show you guys. And then the fried pork. And then we have a green plantain. And I have a pear avocado. And then I'm gonna drink that with more likely water. Anyway, guys, thanks. Oh, I have sweet potato too. Oops, shit. I have some boiled sweet potato. So I'm gonna have that with it also. I will have some gravy. So I'm gonna clean up the kitchen now before I share the food. So I'm gonna leave you now. Jaja, I'm gonna depend. I think I'm gonna go on TikTok when I eat. But I'm gonna wash up first. So if you want, you can come over there. So guys, thanks for joining this live. And thanks for staying with me. I'm gonna stay blessed. Remember, guys, it takes nothing to be kind. So spread some kindness. I want to stay blessed until I see you again. All right.